Assalamu alaikum students. This video is for class 8. Today we will do exercise 12.3. Now in question number 1 we have to multiply the following. We simply have to multiply these two terms. So we will do number A. Minus 5a square b square into 3ab. We simply have to multiply the numbers and the variables. So it will be minus, plus minus minus, there will be minus sign, then 5 3 is a 15, a square into a. Here it is a square and we have to multiply a. So it will be a square into a, it will be like power will be add 8 power cube, so a cube. Now b square b, it will be similarly b cube. This will be our answer. We can do like this way. Minus 5a square b square into 3ab. We will separate the numbers one side and the variables other side. Like minus 5 into 3 into a square, like this portion. A square into ab into a into b square into b. 5 3 plus minus minus, 5 3 is a 15, a square into a. So power, since it is multiply here, so power will get add. 2 plus 1 3, a cube. Similarly b cube. Answer. This is the easy method, so follow this one, it will be better, and this one is for just to understand how the process is going on. Now next, number B. Three by 2 pq square by minus 2 9 p square q r. By means multiply. So we have to multiply these two terms. So 3 by 2 p q square into minus 2 by 9 p square q r. Now 3 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 9. So plus minus minus 3 by 2. This will get deducted, like we can do like this, into pq square into p square q r. Now minus 2 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So it will get only 3. 1 by 3 p square, p cube, q square into q. 2 plus 1 3, q cube. And there is only 1 r, so there will be 1 r answer. Similarly, number C is also very easy, so this will be your homework. Now next, C, D, it will be your homework. E is also very easy. I am doing number F. Number F. 2 by 3 a cube b c square into 1 by 3 a square b cube c into 9 a b c cube. Multiply number one side and the variables one side. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 9 into a cube b c square into a square b cube c into a b c cube. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So only 2 is left, so 2. A cube a square a. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 8 power 6. B cube b. 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5, b to power. C square c cube. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, c to power 6 answer. So it is very easy. You can do the rest of the sums like from 1 to m. So you don't have to do all the sums. The homework will be B. I have already done B, sorry. So your homework will be C, D. I am writing here. C, D, E, F I have already done. A, B and F I've already done. And G, I'll show you number H. I'm showing you number H. Minus 5 P square Q into 8 by 15 P Q square R square into 1 by 4 R into 2 by 3 P Q square. So it is very simple. First we will multiply the numbers. Minus 5 into 8 by 15 into minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. Now all the variables multiply. P square Q into P Q R square into R into P Q square. So plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, sign will be minus. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So what is remaining left? 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. Now P square P 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, P to power 4. Q plus 1 2 plus 2 4, Q to power 4. R square plus R, 2 plus 1 3 R cube. So this will be your answer. Minus 4 by 9 P to power 4 Q to power 4 R cube. Answer. So G will be your homework. H I have done. Do number J. M. That's all. That's all you have to do. C, D, E, G, J and M. Then this exercise will be your completed.